How to hide your follower and following list on Spotify application. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to guide you through step by step to do so that your social activity stays private. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. Open up the Spotify application for that on your phone and make sure you are logged in into your account. Now let's head over to our profile. For that we can tap on the profile picture icon in the top left corner and a menu pops up. From here, directly select the option called View Profile and access our profile right here. And this is the section where we can view our followers, following list, and even playlist are displayed in the section. Now, tap on the settings icon on the top of your profile, right below your profile name. Open up that menu right here, which is called What Others Can See. And from the section, what we can do is we can directly look out for this option called Followers and Following. It says on your profile, people can see who's following you and who you're following. So in order to hide your followers and following list, what you can do is you can basically go ahead and turn this option off, tap on it in order to turn it off, and that will basically hide it. It will hide it. If you want to hide your playlist also, you can find this option and turn this toggle on option and turn it off, and it will turn off the playlist as well. You just need to turn off that option, and you can limit who can follow you by removing unwanted followers manually as well. You can do so, and that's it. While Spotify just go over, after the update, if you do not have that option yet, you can update the Spotify application to the latest version. But these steps will basically help you control your privacy. So if this guide was helpful, like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.